Hey there! Today I'll be walking you through how to title individual Google Slides. First, navigate to slides.google.com and open the presentation you want to work with. The presentation will open in edit mode with slide thumbnails visible on the left sidebar. Now, click on the slide thumbnail in the left sidebar that you want to title. The selected slide will become highlighted with a blue border. Look for the text box that says, "Click to add title." This is your title placeholder. It's typically at the top of the slide, depending on the layout you've chosen. Click directly on the title placeholder text. The placeholder will disappear, a cursor will appear, and the text box will become active with a blue border. Type the title you want for this slide. Whatever you put in the title placeholder will automatically become the name of the slide. This is how Google Slides identifies each slide internally. Your typed text will appear in the text box, replacing the placeholder. Once you're done, click anywhere outside the title text box or press Escape. The text box border will disappear, and the title is now displayed on the slide. Changes are automatically saved in Google Slides. To title additional slides, just select the next slide thumbnail and repeat the process. Click the title placeholder, type your title, and click Outside. Each slide will now display its title in the thumbnail view. Here are a couple of useful things to know. If you want to verify your slide names, press Ctrl+K or Command+K to open the link menu. Then select Slides in this presentation from the drop-down. You'll see all your slide numbers with the names based on what you put in the title placeholder. You can also go to the View menu and select Show Outline to see all your slide titles in a text-based list format. This is especially helpful if you're working with a long presentation and need to check your naming at a glance. Thanks for watching.